Hi guys, in today's video, we're focusing on the 2024 men's hair trend, the messy haircut. This style is ideal for those who love freedom and comfort. Now, let's discover how you can describe these modern cuts and style them perfectly. Here is the hairstyle you should try in 2024. The messy haircut is suitable for both everyday use and special occasions. Whether you're heading to work or going out for the evening, you can always look stylish and attractive with these styles. You can modify them according to your own style and create a unique look. The messy haircut is ideal for men who appreciate naturalness and comfort. These styles add movement and a bit of a rebellious look to your hair while being quite easy to maintain. Additionally, these cuts offer the flexibility to look chic on special occasions while being practical for daily use. It's a cut that highlights the natural texture and movement of the hair, leaving the top parts relatively long. With short sides and back, it offers a bit more length and volume on top. So, how is this style shaped? The first step is to use a light hair mousse or sea salt spray on wet hair to add volume. Then, shape your hair with your fingertips. For an easy finish, you can use hair stylers. These products provide a flexible hold, while also helping you achieve a natural look. Next, dry your hair using a styler or comb to get wavy forms. Reaching your desired look is that easy. You can use a hair clip for styling backwards, which will significantly enhance the effect. Finally, let's emphasize the importance of healthy hair. Be gentle when washing your hair, and use shampoo and conditioner suitable for your hair type. By applying deep moisturizing hair masks once a week, maintain your hair's moisture balance. Also, avoiding high heat when styling your hair and using heat protectant products helps preserve the health of your hair strands. Healthy hair makes any haircut look better and completes your style. Be bold in creating your version. You can draw inspiration from this trend while crafting your own style and express yourself better in your daily life. Remember, your hairstyle is your personal signature, and with the right care and style, you can greet 2024 with elegance. Don't forget to like the video for more tips, information, and inspiration, and follow my channel. See you in the next video.